killing in Kashmir. Stop killing in Kashmir. Stop killing in Kashmir. Indian Army. Indian Army. Indian Army. Indian Army. Indian Army. Stop killing in Kashmir. Stop killing in Kashmir. We want freedom. We want freedom. Indian Army. Indian Army. Indian Army.
Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. This week, Tehreek-e-Kashmir, Bartania is remembering as a week of Shuhada. As you know, in Kashmir, the right of self-determination is not given to the population of Kashmir, to the people of Kashmir, by India, and people are standing for this, their right, and they are offering sacrifices in Kashmir. Young man of 20 years, 4 years ago, was martyred. He was not fighting, he was not doing anything, just he was using the social media, and he was killed. And he is remembered today. Today is the 8th of July, and he was murdered on the 8th of July, 4 years before. So we remember him and other Shuhada and other martyrs who gave their lives for Kashmir, for the right of self-determination. So we are remembering today for remembering them and other Kashmiris as well. And we also demand the right of self-determination for the people of Kashmir, and we are supporting them, we are with them, and we demand the world authorities who have closed their eyes nowadays. They are not listening about all these atrocities and zulm and suppression, and we demand them to come forward and give the people of Kashmir the right of determination, and the people of Palestine as well, and the other areas where the right of the people have been taken by the forces, by the wrongdoers. So we demand the world authorities to come forward and give their rights for them. Okay? So Jazakumullah khairan for the brothers who have attending this session, and we are thank you. We say thank you to you, to all of and to all of the people who are demanding this right of self-determination for the people of Kashmir. Jazakumullah.